Here I've got HUAWEI Honor 20 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and let's start with the first code. So let's enter *##, *##28 46 57 9 ###. And now we are in project menu where you can check some background settings. You can go to vernier information and, for example, let's open version info. You've got all the details included here. Also the manufacturer info, it's all included here. You can also go to the network information query, so you can find all the answers for all the questions about your network here. Then you can also upgrade your software. You can perform a factory reset here, so if you will click on it, you can wipe all the data from your device, and also you can check the battery. So as you can see, your battery is charged completely, battery level is 80 and the temperature is 43 degrees. So let me go back. Now let's go to the second code. So it's *##, *##, 0000 *##. And now we are in about phone. So here you can find the model, build number, hardware version, both email number, MSPL version, MLPL version, and also ICC ID number. So let me go back to this actually the third code, which is *##, 225 *##. And here you've got the calendar info. So if you have your Google account included here, all the events, all the celebrations, meetings will be included here. So you'll have all the events in one place. Let me go back, and another code is *##, 426 *##. And now we are in diagnostic mode, so you can check events and status here. If you would like to have the advanced view, simply click on the more icon over here and select advanced view. And now you have all the details about status and events. So let me go back, and the last code, but not least, very useful one actually, is *##06#. And this one will quickly provide you with both email numbers for your device and also serial number. Click on OK to go back, and actually that would be all. These are all codes for your Honor 20. Enjoy them, use them whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.